Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on Windows 11, there's a hidden folder that if we head into our File Explorer and head over to our C drive, or the drive that your OS is installed on, and if you haven't done so already, we head to Show Hidden Items, and we head into our drive, and we navigate to Program Data, which is a hidden folder, Microsoft, and we head over to Windows. You will see that there is a folder called Capability Access Manager. Let me make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. Capability Access Manager. Now, in regards to this folder, there are reports doing the rounds online that over the last few months, users have been complaining about something strange taking place, where users have noticed quite a big amount of storage use that's been used up, that's been reflected in the Capability Access Manager. Because if we head over to Microsoft's support forum, here we can see that it has been noticed that a massive 70 gigabytes of additional space was being taken up by this Capability Access Manager folder, which basically is a service that's running in the background. And there are quite a few upvotes, so it's not just isolated to one incident. Now, if we head back to my folder is empty, so I'm not faced with a problem. But apparently, according to reports doing the rounds, there are quite a few users who have seen disk usage climb because this folder is getting very bloated. And even if I try to get into the folder, I'm unable to. So basically, it's a lockdown. Now, there have been workarounds doing the rounds over the last couple of months. But just to let you know now that Microsoft seems to have figured out the issue and has updated the changelog for the latest optional bug fix C release update that rolled out, which I posted on a couple of days ago. I'll leave the video for that linked, which is KB5095093. And that's rolled out for Windows 11 25 and 24H2. And by the way, this problem is also affecting Windows 11 26H1, where Microsoft has updated the changelog. So if we head into changelog, we can see here it says update added, normal rollout. So everybody's going to get the storage. This update improves disk space usage for the Capability Access Manager.db WAL file, which apparently was causing the problem. So if you have noticed unusual and extra disk space usage over the last couple of months, make sure you get your hands on the latest optional update, because as mentioned here, Microsoft says it's fixed the issue. So the disk hogging issue should be resolved once you install KB5095093. And if you don't install the update now, as always, the optional C release updates that roll out towards the end of the month, those improvements and fixes will be carried over into the Patch Tuesday security update, which is going to be rolling out on the second Tuesday of this month. So that will be the 14th of July, 2026. But I just wanted to post this quick video in case any of you were experiencing the issue or noticed, as mentioned, that your disk space usage just went up without no apparent reason. That could be the problem. So install the update, and apparently that will resolve that disk hogging issue if you were affected. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.